Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a refreshing virgin cocktail. Start by gathering fresh juice, soda, ice, and a sweetener. Chop citrus for zest and measure juice precisely. Combine 4 oz juice with 1 tablespoon sweetener and stir until dissolved. Fill a glass with ice, pour mixture, then top with sparkling water for effervescence. Garnish with herbs or fruit and serve chilled. In this video, I will explain how to mix a virgin cocktail for the best texture and flavor. Use a shaker with ice for citrus blends to get froth and rapid chilling. When adding soda, pour slowly and stir gently to keep bubbles intact. Muddle mint or basil lightly to release fragrant oils without turning bitter. Strain into a chilled glass and adjust sweetness to your taste before garnishing. In this video, I will help you explore flavor combinations for virgin cocktails that suit any mood or meal. Pair lemon or lime with ginger for a zesty, spicy kick, or mix cucumber and mint for a cool, low-calorie refresher. Tropical blends like mango and pineapple create a creamy, vibrant mocktail when blended with ice. Experiment with sweetener and acidity to balance each profile and find your new favorite drink.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.